In this exercise, we will learn the Path Selection tool and the Direct Selection tool. These tools are basically very simple to use, and we use them for selecting subjects and moving them. Okay, let's see how these tools will work. If I move my arrow on Tools, we can see the Path Selection tool here. Or we can press A to select this tool. Okay, now we have a shape here, and if I click on it, we can move it around to anywhere we want it. If I choose the Direct Selection tool, then I am not able to move the shape, but when I click on the corner on the anchor point, then I am able to move it, and I can move any anchor point. We can select this tool by pressing Shift and A. Okay, in the next exercise, we will learn the Rectangle tool.